Y'all know I cannot wait to give y'all this look. Oh, it is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Like I can't wait to. I just cannot wait to show you. You a man or a woman? I'm a trans woman, but I was born a man. I was born a man. Just to clear the air for everybody to know. I don't wanna. Yeah. Was born a man. I was born a man. I have a strong neck. Well, I have been told that I have a really cute neck. I mean, I don't. I definitely don't have a strong neck. Um, First of all, that's the thing. All right. And it's all mine. No BBL. Chanelica, it's time to go.
Jeremiah, what's up, man? Pull your bro up still here, boy. Bro got fat as hell. What's up, y'all?
That you need. Oh no, I think that hoe went outside.
Hey,
And then, why would you say stuff like that? Why would you say stuff like that to somebody you don't know? Like, that's crazy. Let me, cause I ain't gonna lie, like, bitch, I know I done got a little stomach and all of that, bitch, but that's because bitch, yeah, that's cause that motherfucker soft. That's cause that motherfucker soft. That's why. That's cause that motherfucker soft. Big heavy on the soft. Yeah. I'm too sexy for my mind. Too sexy for my mind. I ain't trying too sexy. No Adam's apple. No Adam's apple. No Adam's apple. Let me get that. No Adam's apple. See, that's the good thing about it. You know, I don't have a big old thing hanging from my throat.
That's bracelet. Good as hell. Smith. It's called a plant.